Prepare to embark on an exciting journey into the world of olive oil, where each golden drop holds the power to transform your health and vitality. From fortifying your heart to nurturing your skin, discover the extraordinary benefits of olive oil for men's health. Get ready to unlock its ancient secrets and ignite a fire of well-being within you. Number 7. Heart health. When it comes to heart health, the monounsaturated fats present in olive oil play a significant role. These healthy fats can help reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is commonly referred to as the bad cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol can contribute to the formation of plaque in the arteries, leading to a condition known as atherosclerosis. By replacing unhealthy fats in your diet with olive oil, you can lower your risk of developing heart disease and related complications such as heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, the polyphenols found in olive oil have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, further promoting cardiovascular health. Incorporating olive oil into a heart-healthy diet, alongside a balanced lifestyle, regular exercise, and other recommended interventions, can contribute to optimal heart health for men. Number 6. Prostate health. In the realm of men's health, olive oil stands as a versatile champion. Its heart protective nature, with its abundance of monounsaturated fats, shields against harmful cholesterol and fosters cardiovascular well-being. Meanwhile, its antioxidant-rich profile and anti-inflammatory properties fortify the defense of the prostate, potentially reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Furthermore, the brain benefits from olive oil's nourishing elements, supporting cognitive function and preserving mental acuity. Like a golden elixir, olive oil becomes a steadfast ally, enhancing flavors and unlocking a treasure trove of health for men to savor and relish. Number 5. Brain health. Olive oil emerges as a formidable ally in the realm of brain well-being. With its exceptional composition of healthy fats and potent antioxidants, this golden elixir becomes a nourishing elixir for your gray matter. Picture olive oil as the superhero swooping in to protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, the archenemy of mental clarity. Its monounsaturated fats fuel a robust blood flow, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to every nook and cranny of your cognitive powerhouse. As the battle against age-related cognitive decline ensues, olive oil's antioxidants rise to the occasion, shielding your neurons from free radicals that seek to impede your mental prowess. By embracing the power of olive oil, you equip your brain with the tools it needs to unleash its full potential, fostering memory, focus, and the razor-sharp acuity required to conquer life's intellectual challenges. So, seize the opportunity to infuse your diet with this brain-boosting elixir and let the wonders of olive oil unlock a world of cognitive vitality. Number 4. Testosterone production. Maintaining optimal testosterone levels is essential, and olive oil can contribute to this aspect of well-being. Adequate consumption of healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, is crucial for the production of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. These healthy fats act as building blocks for the synthesis of testosterone, which plays a vital role in various aspects of men's health, including muscle growth, bone density, libido, and overall vitality. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you provide your body with the necessary raw materials to support healthy testosterone levels, promoting masculine vigor and well-rounded physical and sexual health. So, embrace the power of olive oil as a natural ally in maintaining your hormone balance and unleash the full potential of your masculine vitality. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. In the realm of men's health, olive oil shines as a champion in fighting inflammation and promoting overall well-being. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Olive oil, with its rich content of anti-inflammatory compounds like oleic acid and polyphenols, becomes a potent weapon in the battle against inflammation. These compounds work synergistically to suppress the production of inflammatory markers in the body, helping to alleviate symptoms and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you infuse your body with a natural anti-inflammatory elixir, calming the fires of inflammation and fostering a state of balance and vitality. So, embrace the power of olive oil as a daily shield against inflammation, and let its remarkable properties promote your overall health and well-being. Number 2. Weight management. When it comes to maintaining a healthy weight, olive oil can be a valuable asset for men. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are created equal, and olive oil falls into the category of healthy fats. Incorporating olive oil into a balanced diet can aid in weight management. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil provide a sense of satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer periods and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, olive oil's rich flavor can enhance the taste of your meals, making them more satisfying without the need for excessive added fats or unhealthy ingredients. By choosing olive oil as a primary source of fat, you can support your weight management goals, promoting a healthier body composition and overall well-being. Remember, moderation is key, as olive oil is still calorie-dense, so it's important to consume it as part of a well-rounded, calorie-controlled diet. Number 1. Skin health. Beyond its culinary uses, olive oil can work wonders for men's skin health. When applied topically, olive oil's nourishing properties make it an excellent natural moisturizer. The vitamins and antioxidants present in olive oil help to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. It acts as a protective barrier, shielding the skin from environmental damage and preventing moisture loss. Olive oil's anti-aging properties can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, promoting a more youthful complexion. Whether used on its own or as an ingredient in homemade skincare remedies, olive oil provides a simple and effective way to care for your skin, keeping it healthy, vibrant, and well-nourished. So, indulge in the natural goodness of olive oil, and let it be your secret weapon for maintaining handsome and resilient skin. As our exploration of the remarkable benefits of olive oil for men's health comes to a close, we hope you're inspired to embrace the power of this golden elixir. From its heart protective properties to its role in supporting brain health, prostate health, weight management, and skin nourishment, olive oil stands as a versatile ally in your quest for optimal well-being. So, let the wonders of olive oil infuse your life, from the kitchen to your skincare routine, and experience the transformative effects of this extraordinary gift of nature. As you savor the flavors and reap the rewards, may your journey with olive oil be one of vitality, joy, and a thriving, vibrant life.